Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get the message application not responding in background on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you have a hidden developer feature, which basically surfaces background app crashes. So it's called ANR, so application not responding. So this usually happens silently. However, you can go ahead and turn on this feature to show a message when application is not responding in the background. So it reveals which app freezes or misbehave even when they aren't in active use. So let me show you how to do this. So here you need to go ahead and first bring down the quick panel menu, tap on settings. You want to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see about phone, then scroll down and find software information. Here you need to find the build number and you want to go ahead and tap multiple times on it. You need to go ahead and tap multiple times until you see a message called developer mode has been enabled. Go back and then now you'll see a new menu appear here, developer option. So this is a hidden menu. Tap on this, turn this feature on, and here you need to go ahead and find the option application not responding. So this is the option you need to find, show background ANR, so application not responding. So this displays application not responding dialog for background apps. So go ahead and turn this feature on. So this is a valuable diagnosis tool that gives advanced users greater visibility into system stability, helping pinpoint problematic apps that might be draining battery or causing lags on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on the application not responding message in the background for your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.